Hey guys, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine. Today's recipe is very simple and delicious too. You can impress your loved ones. If you have Rechado masala ready, you can make this within minutes. So today's I'm going to show how to make Rechado prawns fry. For what we need is I've taken 12 prawns, which is medium size. I've cleaned and kept, and also Rechado masala. Rechado masala, you can follow my recipe. You can click on the link below. Step by step, I've shown Rechado masala. You can follow that. And now, what you have to do is next, you have to apply salt for prawns and also a pinch of turmeric powder. Mix it well and set aside for at least 15 minutes. Keep this on the side. Guys, check this out. This is how you have to clean the prawns. Devein the prawn. I've kept the head and the tail. This is how it should be. So now let's start with the cooking process. Keep the pan very hot. Add oil to this. Let it get hot. Now add prawn. Guys, one thing to keep in mind, you have to keep the flame on a high. So now it's time to turn the prawn. Now the reason why I said to keep the flame high is it leaves water very fast. So now once you turn the prawn, you add masala to that. And also keep in mind, do not overcook the prawn. I will pass some water. Mix it well. Slowly you need to mix them so the heat doesn't separate. Guys, check this out. These are ready to be served. It has nice coating. Main important is the shrimp should get coat nicely. Check the masala also, check the consistency, and this is ready to be served now. I will switch off the flame. Guys, check this out. Check out the color. You can make this at home better than the restaurant. When we go to the restaurant, we always prefer to have prawns like this. So in no time, you can make this if you have Rechado masala ready and follow my recipe.